This Burleigh Heads property offers a great list of features ready for you to enjoy. 4 generous bedrooms with built-ins and modern bathroom with separate bath. Spacious living interior tiled throughout with separate lounge and dining areas. A modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances including dishwasher. Large private entertaining with self-contained kitchen and bar area. Stainless steel barbecue and range hood opening into a separate paved alfresco area. Quality timber decking wraps around a sparkling in-ground pool with a waterfall feature. Private and covered front deck overlooking lush new lawns and garden. Newly renovated and painted, this home has a striking street appeal. Fully fenced with attractive timber panels and new landscaping. All set on a 664 square metre block with double lock-up garage and garden shed with storage area. Only a 50-metre stroll to Burleigh Lake and close to Stockland Shopping Centre, local schools, public transport and Burleigh Beach. Call Ross Patterson now on 0418 744 472.